Unit 8, My City. Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Lesson 2, Grammar. City places. City places. School. School. Grocery store. Grocery store. Park. Park. Restaurant. Restaurant. Toy store. Toy store. House. House. It's a school. It's a school. It's a grocery store. It's a grocery store. It's a park. It's a park. It's a restaurant. It's a restaurant. It's a toy store. It's a toy store. It's a house. It's a house. What is there? What is there? There is a. There is a. There is a school. There is a school. There is a grocery store. There is a grocery store. There is a park. There is a park. There is a restaurant. There is a restaurant. There is a toy store. There is a toy store. There is a house. There is a house.